Along the glimmering banks of Redwood Creek, through a verdant and diverse woodland, we find not only the tallest trees on Earth, but also some of the largest of the coast redwoods. On this episode of Ernest Storm Explorers, come join us and explore the wonders of the Tall Trees Trail. The Tall Trees Trail is located in Redwood National and State Parks. To gain access to this trail, you first need to make a reservation through the Redwoods Park Conservancy website. Once you register your date of arrival, they will email you your permit as well as the gate code the day before your set date. I've gone ahead and linked the permit website in the description for you guys. Once you get to the gate, unlock the pad with your code and then close the gate behind you. From there, it's a gorgeous 6.5 mile drive down to the trailhead. Let's go check it out. Once on the trail, you'll enjoy a stunning stroll through a lush forest, gently dappled with the glistening streams of sunlight through the trees. Now this gorgeous trail is rated as moderate, and only about a 4-mile trip out and back, but don't take that too lightly. The first 1.5 miles or so is a gradual decline down into the grove, making this what's called a reverse trail. You make your way down and then you struggle bus it all the way back up. Now I'm sure you guys will be fine, just don't drink too much tequila the night before. All along the way you're going to come across a lot of cool things. Check out this cool tree cave. Pretty awesome, right? You're also going to want to keep your eyes peeled for the world famous Tall Trees Turkey Tail Tree. Just look at all that tail. Just about a 1/2 mile in, you'll reach the world famous walkthrough tree, aka the portal to the lost realm. Or just the way down to the grove. I'll let you decide. As you continue your quest, the trail gets peppered with trees towering over 300 feet that also have some pretty good girth to them. Naturally, you gotta stop by and give one a big ol' hug, right? These hollowed out trees were once referred to by pioneers as goose pens, as they were apparently ideal for housing geese and ducks. Good idea, I geese? All cheesy jokes aside, let's go ahead and make our way down to the grove. At about 1.5 miles, we reach the Tall Trees Grove, home to the tallest trees on Earth. Nestled next to the pristine rushing waters of Redwood Creek, this amphitheater of towering redwoods lies on what's known as an alluvial flat, a sediment-rich and naturally aerated soil that also retains moisture, making this the ideal environment for redwoods to grow super tall, averaging heights between 300 and 350 feet. How cool is that? Right at the center of the loop trail, we meet the tall tree, aka the Howard Libby tree, a tree that reigned as the tallest tree in the world between 1963 and 1988, before being dethroned by a few other taller trees living deep in the wilds of the park. This mighty sentinel soars to a height of 362 feet and is currently the 11th tallest tree in Redwood National Park. Make sure to check out this legend on your visit to the grove. Moving on from the tall tree, we recommend to take the left side of the loop, as you'll be instantly transported into a land that feels prehistoric. The redwood canopy opens and the trail is ripe with vegetation. Moss-covered branches and beautiful overlooks back into the river you can totally stop at and chillax at. As you loop back around, be prepared to enter the land of giants. The trail darkens as the shadows of the trees shade the land, and throughout the sea of ferns, you spot some of the largest of the redwoods. Now, walking through this section of the grove is arguably the centerpiece of the trail, with so many unique redwoods towering over the rest of the forest. Some are just off the trail, while others are off the beaten path. I definitely recommend that you take your time in this section of the trail and explore. There are some really epic trees out here. I think this one was my favorite. Isn't that crazy huge? Cool, right? And so we reach the end of the loop and your workout begins. Enjoy, my friends. We'll see you guys at the top. Okay, everybody, that's going to end today's trail adventure. It's been an epic day. I really hope you guys get a chance to come explore the Tall Trees Grove out here in Redwood National Park. It's a gorgeous trail. Put it on your bucket list. You will not regret it. And of course, I can't thank you guys enough for joining us. Cheers to you all out there in YouTube land. I hope to see you guys in the next one. But until then, as always, happy trails. See you guys.